Calling all Superkinder. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. It's nice to see you. As promised, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial on how to create a Google document. Lots of you have older brothers and sisters who can help you out, and moms and dads who know how to do this, but for those of you who don't, let's figure this out together. So, if I go over here to the waffle, as we know it is called, you are going to go into Docs, Google Docs. Take a look at what happens here. Now I'm going to have different stuff because I have lots of documents already on the go, and guess what? Some of your homework showed up in there too. That's not a bad thing. Now if we go, I can move this up here, and you click on Docs, and up here you want to start a new doc, so let's click blank. Now this gives you pretty much a piece of paper that you get to work on. Now, because some of you have already played with the slideshow, the Google Slides, this is very similar, only this is more like a blank piece of paper instead of giving you something to flip from page to page. So first things first, maybe give it a title. You do that just by clicking in here. And pretend this was social studies homework, or if some of you this week had homework in German, it was Nix Woche. Nix Woche. You could write that in there, and that makes it a little bit easier for you to figure out what you're writing, and when I get it, what the assignment was. So now I can start writing, and I can say, hello, Superkinder. I miss all of you. Now, you're going to be writing about whatever. You could be writing a story, a poem, write about your favorite animal. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now, once you've written it, then you can start to play with it a little bit. Take a look. If I highlight this, over here where this number is, it says font size. That means the font is the writing, and I can change the size. So what if I wanted to make it super big? Oh, even bigger than that. That's not big enough. Boom. There you go. Now I really mean it. Hello, Superkinder. And I can change the color over here. It says text color. Let's go with red, because good superheroes need the color red. So you can start to just play with it a little bit. Later on, maybe we'll get to the point where you could do some assignments that way. But, you know, if you don't have paper at home, or you just prefer to do your assignments this way, this is a good option. Now, could you add pictures? Of course you could. Insert. Image. And I can search the web. And maybe I search for superhero. Clip art. Oops. Now, if you want it black and white, you have to add that as well. But oh la la. Look at all these choices. So cute. This is the part where we can waste a lot of time, because it's like shopping for pictures. Here we go. Then we need to insert it. So when I click on it, it says insert. Let's see if I can insert it. Or if it's not, insert. There we go. Whoa, look what happened. It's gone. There. It's way too big. Way too big. So if I click on it, I can run my mouse over here and I can shrink it down. Ta-da. Now, right now, it changed things up here really strangely, and it put it in the middle of all the words. You want to click on this one. It says wrap text, and then you'll be able to move this around a little bit more without it shifting your words. So, play with it, you guys. There's no expectation here. This is something normally we wouldn't do for quite some time, but you know what? It's a time where we get to make some mistakes, so we get to learn from those mistakes, and we can figure out how to work this. Yeah, it'll be something fun for you to do. Okay, now before I shut this off, when you're finished, if you want to show me what you've been working on, take a look over here. There's share it with Carolyn.Brown. And there is my name. I pop up and send it to me. Now, it miraculously shows up in my documents. When I check in my documents, I say, hey, somebody shared something with me, and then I can see what it is. Okay? So, I hope that helps. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you have questions, send me an email.